Our phones are crazy here at Coastal. People keep saying to me, hey, you guys are on fire over there. We keep seeing coastal sale after coastal sale after coastal sale. What are you doing? And the truth is, our buyers and sellers are on fire and they are crushing it with this market. Our clients are the heroes. We are just the boots on the ground making sure the job is done right. My good friends and brokers all across the country, they can't believe what is happening here in Florida. And we are definitely in a crazy market. But this is what we're actually doing. We are in the trenches for our buyers and sellers every single day. Yes, we're at record highs for gains in equity. We are at record lows for inventory. Our days on market keep shrinking. Our sale price to list price ratios keep increasing. But for every positive, there's a challenge. And we spend every day guiding our clients through the pitfalls and obstacles that could get in their way. Every day is fun, and every day is a juggling act. My entire 28 career, I've never seen anything like this. There are pros and cons at every single level. Our sellers are making tremendous gains in equity with their homes, but they're not sure where to move or when to move next. Our buyers are fighting every day to get their offers accepted so that they can move on to the next stage of packing and planning. And our buyers that are fully financed are having a hard time competing against the king of cash. But we get the job done and we keep fighting for you because our clients are part of our Coastal family. And our success is directly linked to the strategies that we have put in place for buyers and sellers to win in this high octane fueled market. It's actually not the Wild West. If you want to win, every step is deliberate and game planned from the very beginning. We have a marketing strategy for every listing that will launch your home onto the market to put the most money possible in the bank. And we have a strategy for every offer we put in for our buyers. And on some days, that strategy includes pulling our buyers back and keeping them from making mistakes that they may regret later. The purchase price may be getting too high. The inspections may have too many red flags. The home may not appraise because the property's in a bidding war. We don't care about another deal on the table. We care about you and what your finances will look like when you get into that home of your dreams. So our job is to ease your stress, and we're going to hold your hand as we navigate every deal from start to finish. Trust me, you need a professional on your side because it's not always as easy as it looks. You need a team that not only leads the market, but more importantly, cares about your family. The compliments that I cherish the most as a broker here at Coastal Luxury Partners is when I hear clients say from the moment they met one of our agents and every single day after, they knew they were in good hands, they felt safe and protected, and they knew that our team would always go above and beyond. We just put one home under contract in 3 days. It failed to sell with their first agent. And we not only put the home under contract in 3 days, but we raised the price by 50 grand, still got the job done. Sellers, we are not going to let you leave any money on the table, and we are not going to let you down. We care about what you need, and we do everything possible to reach your goals. We have another home under contract. I wasn't even sure we could get it done, but we did. The homeowner really felt like now was the time to sell, and they are under contract for a new construction home, but that new construction home wasn't going to be ready for 7 months. But the equity gains that our homeowner could bank on with the market right now were just too tempting to pass up. And we found the right buyers at full list price that were willing to lease the home back to the sellers until they were able to move. It's not fun to move twice, and we want to save you that hassle whenever possible. And the stories go on and on and on, but most importantly, I hope you know that you can take a deep breath, and together we can all put your fears at ease because our job is to match the perfect buyer to the homeowner's needs and priorities. And everything we do is carefully planned with a strategy in place. Our clients are so fiercely loyal to Coastal because we're not just trying to push another deal to closing as quickly as possible. Our clients want to work with real people that keep their best interests at heart. And that's our most important mission every day, to care for you. We keep a tight pulse on the market, and we are negotiating day and night. We are selling homes for record prices, and we are going after new listings for our buyers and getting those offers accepted. More listings are on the way. Spring is right around the corner this weekend. We get to work with new clients every single day. It's a fun, fast-paced market, and we aren't going anywhere. Your team here at Coastal will make sure that we are always ready when you need us. And if you're thinking of buying or selling, you can thrive in this market. And we know exactly how to put a plan together that will work for you. Just give us a call. You'll be in good hands. And always feel free to give me a call with any questions that you may have. I'm here to help, and I'm a phone call away. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.